Hello everybody, it's time for my latest tool that I'm sharing with y'all. This is Amanda Bridges. I'm have over my shoulder. Isn't it wonderful? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love me. I have that as a reminder that we all should love ourselves first. And so that's why I'm sharing my tools that I've been using, and I'm up to tool number 19. So tool number 19 for me this week is taking naps, and then taking naps with my beautiful Doberman Ruby. She's a chocolate Doberman, and her name is Ruby Bridges, which I think is awesome. She's a historical figure. So tool number 19 is my luxury of taking a nap in the afternoon, or because I can, if I feel like it. If my body feels like eating fruits and vegetables, that's what I try to eat. If my body feels like walking around outside, that's what I do. And if my body feels like resting, taking a nap, it's okay. So naps are awesome. So that's my tool for this week, tool number 19. And especially when I tell you a funny story, when I take a nap with Ruby, I have to run and go into my bedroom and get on the bed first and get in the middle of the bed and then roll over onto my side, so I have at least half the bed, because my big dog Ruby will take up the whole bed. And so then she jumps on the bed and cuddles up next to me, and then but it's funny, I have to get on the bed first without her, so because it's my bed, it's not her bed anyway. But she takes a nap with me. So isn't that wonderful? Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love me. And it's been almost a year since my diagnosis on August 7th of 2023, and today is August 2nd. And but today's a good day, and in my mind, my mindset is abundance and overflow and joy, and God is taking care of me. And that's why I'm sharing my journey of what I've been using for a year instead of the poison to put into my body. But anyway, so, okay, I hope everybody has a good rest of your day and a good weekend. And it's August 2nd, and tool time number 19 with the teacher is done. Have a good weekend, everybody. Amanda Bridges signing off. Bye.